I am Matan Zaken from Nom Restaurant, and today we're gonna make the recipe of the pepper of my grandmother, Mamie André, in Michelin star way. So it's very important to use the long red peppers more than the bell ones. Et là, on met ça en plaque. Tu peux venir un peu, hein, Philippe.
Ouais.
Hein. Don't be shy. Hein.
Vraiment, Germans we like to stay in the shadows.
It's okay. Ça c'est bon. Do you want to take this close? Ok, on passe juste là au four. Very high temperature oven, 270 degrees.
For how long?
30 minutes.
I need the jam. Eggs for sure. Shakshuka need an egg. Ça va sentir le poivron dans toute la rue Montpensier. We're gonna have the smell of the red pepper in all the street. Amblin, tu peux me choper un petit sac sous vide?
Ouais.
Genre vraiment petit comme ça je refais le process du jaune d'œuf en mode sous vide. So we cannot go higher than 60 degrees for about 15 minutes.
Granite?
Ah, granite.
Yeah.
Yoshi Takana.
Yeah. He gave me 2 omelets.
Yeah? But you want omelette at the beginning here, no?
Yes.
He's Baptiste is a specialist of omelette. You saw the video of omelette we made?
Yeah. A bit tiny.
Why you want the bigger one? Yoshi Takana made omoris, no?
Similar.
Yes. Like tornado and stuff like that.
Yeah. No tornado.
This is out of.
Je crois que c'est l'autre chef. Ils doivent l'avoir en bas. Sinon, faut en bas.
Ah oui. Putain, il est bon. Tu sais qu'à la base, il devait faire l'omelette avec lui. Hein.
Ouais.
He's the one omelette spécialiste. Je suis en train de cramer la nouvelle planche. T'as pas une. Ils sont pas assez en vrai. Hein. Enfin, le côté steam, il aide bien quand même.
Ouais.
Mais le coup de chalumeau, il est pas déconnant pour le goût.
Je trouve le chalumeau, c'est presque pire parce que ça
Ça
le
le
fait
colle.
attacher,
Tu vas en mettre un peu là dans les. Dans le cul de poule ou c'est pas prêt?
2 minutes et c'est prêt.
C'est vrai que ma grand-mère elle fait une salade de pépins de. On devrait les garder les pépins là.
Je vais enlever les œufs, je pense que ça va tirer à
Non, juste comme ça en salade avec de l'huile d'olive et du citron. Elle met ça sur le poivron. La salade de pépins de poivron. Avec des pépins de tomates aussi dedans.
Même pas séché ou quoi que ce soit, ça se mange comme ça.
Comme ça. My grandmother used to use the seeds also to make a salad of seed of red pepper with also like seeds of tomato with just olive oil and lemon. T'as pas de... On n'a pas une huile d'olive jolie?
Une bouteille, tu veux dire?
Ouais, une jolie bouteille. Non. Hein. Attends, je veux juste dégorger un peu. So now, on va monter ça. Dans quoi je peux le monter là-dedans?
Ouais, non, toujours dans celui-là.
Là j'enlève les poivrons. Si on veut faire, if you want to do like from the where I take out all the peppers.
C'est bon?
Là, je vous le remets à 170 pour les patates.
Merci.
Mais attendez un moment. Oui.
So resting them with a clean film in a big bowl gonna help to peel the skin. They need to rest a little bit after getting that much burnt. So the idea of the salt is to take out the excess of water inside and now to just strain all this excess of water. And now we need a lot of oil. On a un pinceau, les gars?
Ouais, sur la parisienne.
What type of oil is it?
Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil.
French or Italian?
Yes, south of France.
Okay.
So this is a lot of oil. Ok. Et là on se met le four à 120, 140. Ou les gens ils vont pas comprendre, il a déjà filmé, c'est pas grave, laisse tomber. Juste on va couper ça.
Vous voulez que je le fasse ou vous
Vas-y, vas-y, fais-le.
Vous parlez
Non, vas-y, vas-y.
Je parle?
Do you want me to say something?
Yes.
Ok.
Non, c'est moi qui ai le micro.
Ok. Je mets juste un petit peu d'eau au début.
So a bit of water. Some cumin. This is for sure. And here we found the red pepper oil that been infused with garlic. C'est bon là, non?
Un poil plus, je pense. Ouais, c'est bon.
Plus d'eau?
Non. Après, ça va, il y a une bonne texture. On peut mettre tout le piment, je pense.
So now we're going back in to dry the red pepper and to try to find texture of leather. I like my French accent when I say leather. And now we're gonna finish this cream of egg yolk. So it's a cooked cream of egg yolk. We found very nice texture here. That's been monté like a mayonnaise with the red pepper oil. So the idea of the oil is to always reuse it and to find also always almost the idea of a Solera wine, of keeping always the same base and just adding some new oil to it when we need. But on this oil you're always gonna find like almost like 4 years vintage oil that's been infused with garlic and the red pepper that's sitting inside. So we always keeping this oil, adding some new one. So touch of salt. Red pepper, black pepper, and a bit more cumin. T'as un petit citron là ou pas, fils?
C'est un citron Nice.
Ok.
On passe celui-là.
Non, non, c'est bon, c'est bon.
Il y en a. Attends.
Non, non, mais ça c'est bien. C'est un citron. C'est un citron ça? It's a huge lemon coming from Nice. And we're gonna put a touch of lemon juice just to give more freshness. So in a nice piping bag. Few moments later. C'est comment dans les films ils font a few moments later.
C'est ça. Bobby. C'est ça. Vous pouvez prendre le fond. Ouais. Pour les servir. Ok.
Ok. Et là on va rouler.
Ouais.
Now we roll it and we're ready to go. On va la faire plus large que d'habitude. C'est pour l'éponger?
Ouais.
So this is a lot about the texture here. It's very like chewy. Quality control. Quality control. It's really like a candy. Now we're gonna roll it like a rose. And then we press it. We want it a bit wide. This is so cute. Can I go? Ouais. So here we're gonna find the shakshuka bite recipe of my grandmother, Mamie André, that I remastered in a Michelin star way. We always found it on our tasting menu as the bite number 3. And here I invite you to eat it with one bite, take it from the flowers, and really try to get the cream of egg yolk with cumin at the bottom. So this red pepper gonna really have a texture of leather, almost candied, and the idea is when you have it in your mouth to really slowly go. You have it have to be very chewy. It's a lot about the texture. Let's try.
Yeah, very nice. So this was meant as a candy.
Yes.
So it was not meant as a meal, but as a candy from you, giving you to like. So how did you eat them?
But this is we give this this is the last snacks, like small bites on the tasting menu. Like
No, I mean, how did your grandma?
we used to eat it like all like that, not a roll,
Uh-huh.
but we used to have it like that,
It was before the meal,
and it
after
was
the meal?
in the middle.
In the middle of the meal.
Yes, in the
Okay.
middle. It used to be like a candy, but it used to be like a very kind of. It's a lot of work, and she used to dry it by the sun.
Ah.
So she used to really dry it by the sun on like a wooden tray. So it used to be like olive tree wood that been always polished with olive oil. And when she used to leave it on the sun, it used to really dry. And she used to cure also with the salt.
You eat the meal, right?
Yes, couscous and stuff like that. Like so we always used to have like jars of this. Yes, and if we've been like lucky when we grow up, like and when we left like a family house, between my sisters we always used to fight like, oh grandma, can you give me one jar for us and stuff. Voilà. And she used to be like, it's too much work. If you want to eat, you have to eat here. You know, like almost like one allocation and stuff like crazy. Bon bah nice, hein? Bien.
On peut se mettre en t-shirt là, chez ou pas? Non, vas-y, le temps qu'il est là, on reste en veste. Attends, Gabi? Ouais, comme ça. Ah, j'envoie un tel, ouais. Ouais, et après,